What is AI? And ChatGPT obviously is an AI, but these are just basically tools that can scour the internet and other available sources and basically take in so much data that they are actually doing what's called a machine learning from that data. And they're also processing the English language and allowing you to respond in automated ways, such that I'm sure we've all dealt with chatbots on websites, but now it's even hard to tell if it's a human on the other end or if it's some sort of a bot. And that's just because of this, the natural language processing. And this is not perfect. You can't use it for everything, but it can certainly help save some time on some things. ChatGPT in particular is sort of the best known tool because it came out, I really wouldn't say it came out first, because there are actually a lot of tools being used by law firms that have been using AI for years. But ChatGPT was the first one to allow you to get really detailed information condensed quickly, and they've gotten a lot of the buzz. It has a deep learning algorithm, and it really can take a lot of information and synthesize it and give it back to you in a format that is almost usable.